Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix not joining on Google Meet. So guys, if you can't join your Google Meet, you're facing a problem like this, I will show you in this video. Then this video is absolutely for you. So let me just click on this Google Meet option, and then let's see we can join the Meet or not. So guys, you'll find this type of option here. I will show you. Okay, here this type of option. So let me just select this option, and then let me select my second Gmail fail to joining. So guys, what you have to do if you're facing like this, you have to go to your phone settings, and it's pretty simple. You have to go to your phone settings, and then after going to phone settings, what you have to do, scroll down and go to apps. So after going to apps, what you have to do, click on this manage apps option. And after clicking to manage apps option, what you have to do here, it's pretty simple. Just for a while, just wait for a while and wait until the apps load. So guys, here you have to search for Google Meet. So let me just search for Meet, and then here you can see here my Meet. So guys, what you have to do, just clear off the data here. So after clearing the data, you have to go back to the meeting code. Here it is. So let me go to my meeting code, and then let me just click on the option here. So after clicking to here, you can see here I will be able to join now. You can see here. So just click on continue, allow, and guys, you can see here you will find lots of option. So guys, I recommend you not to go with the same Gmail that you went before. I recommend you to go with another Gmail, like another Gmail, then only it will be possible for you. So let me select another Gmail here, and then after that, let's wait for a while, and then let's check it out, either we can join or no. So let's wait for a second here. You can see here we will be able to join here. You can see here asking to join, so we can join in this way. So guys, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.